Here we're in a game called Pontifex. It's a bridge building game, and you will progress through 16 different levels, as you can see here. I'm going to start with level 1, and I've already kind of worked on this bridge, but as you can see, the bridge is going to span a river. It's going to be 80 meters in length. There's going to be 3 train cars that go across 4 times. It's going to go across both ways, and we have a budget of $20,000 to complete this project. So I'm going to go up here to edit, and I've already got a bridge built, so I'm going to clear this bridge. And there's some items here at the top, the normal and complex buttons. Those just have a little bit more features on the complex side. I like to just keep it on normal. The sun, we can change where the sun is in the sky to give our bridge different effect, different look. There's different materials that we can use. So I'm going to just start with just light steel. And when you make your bridge, you're going to put in the pieces like I'm doing. And I'm just left clicking to add the pieces in, and then I drag off to the right here and I right click to stop. So then I can put in all the pieces I need. Alright, and once you're done, then you'll want to test your bridge. And your bridge is either going to fall in the water at first, or it's going to hold up like this. We can look at the stresses on the bridge, so we can select that or we don't, and we can see what happens to the bridge. So I'm going to just put in the stress, put in the max stress, so we could see what the maximum compression or tension is, and then I'm going to run the train across. So the train's going to go across. We're going to see some forces acting on it. And even though the train made it across the first time, we got to have it make it across 4 times total. So we had some broken pieces. So basically the whole bridge broke, all the pieces. So we can go back and we can edit our bridge and see if we can make it work a little bit better. And remember, we have to stay within our cost. You notice there's already a that is even worse. So it's just a matter of trial and error for a lot of this. You just have to see what works and what doesn't. So it looks easy, but it's a little more difficult than it appears. So when you work with your bridge, you just have to kind of try different things and see what works, and just try different designs depending on how wide the river is. So once you get done, then you can move on to the next screen. Your bridge will work, but until then we have to make sure we solve this one to move forward to the next design.